In this video overview, we will demonstrate how simple it is to assemble this beautiful glass cabinet. Welcome back to another product assembly presentation from Shopfittings Direct, the display store fixtures and shelving experts. To start assembly, you will require the assistance of another person. At this point, let me outline the importance of not resting the weight of the base on the side of the rods, as they may snap. The front two rods include the spotlight fixtures. The wiring of each rod should be fed through and tightened with the hex bolts, followed by the back rods. At this point of the installation, it is important to connect and lock in the wiring, as pictured, with a small flathead screwdriver provided. With the assistance of another person, carefully place the base in an upright position. Prepare all the upright glass pieces close by. This process should be done on a soft surface to cushion unpackaged glass and also to stabilize the black base into place if you are utilizing the casters with this unit. All the glass panels and base need to be supported by two people during the whole installation process. Insert the back and side glass pieces firmly into the grooves located on the top of the perimeter of the black base. Fasten sides with the two-way fittings. Position and fasten two-way fittings on the left and the right hand side panels. Repeat this with the three-way fittings, which will now lock the back and side panels together. Carefully position the top panel into place and fasten with small nut and bolt fixtures to the back three-way and front two-way fittings. Use the same screw fittings to lock the top glass into the four upright rods. The glass structure is now secure. However, continued support is required as most of the weight rests within the back panel. Adjust the shelf holders to the desired height. Make sure to tighten fittings with Allen key provided. Assemble light globes into the light fixtures. Insert each door onto the bottom track runner. The door that includes the lock is to be positioned last. At the same time, apply the top door track as pictured. Lock the top track with the screw fittings provided. The assembly is now complete. You may power on the cabinet.